everyone, it's your girl Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. What we're not gonna do is mind my Dr. Peppers back there. Anyways, I have a little bit of a collective haul. Like I got everything in the mail, and then I've been waiting to do this, except I opened the Bath and Body Works box and then one of the Target boxes. I just did a huge Target haul the other day. Well, actually, I posted it today when I'm filming this, but still, yeah, did that the other day. I'm not going to show you everything from my Bath and Body Works order, but I'm just going to show you a few things. So, Among the Clouds, this is their newest, like, perfume. This and then Cocoa Paradise, but I don't have that one right now here. But Among the Clouds, I want to actually get the perfume, but the notes are literally just Wildberry Skies and Whipped Vanilla Clouds. I got the whole little set, so I'm stocked on that. And then I got this, like, stress relief, like, essential oil mist that I thought would be nice to, like, spray when I'm about to get a shower. And then I got these two scents, and I got the matching lotions for them, but I haven't smelled these yet, like, at all. Haven't even opened the lotions to smell them yet. So I'm probably gonna do, like, a first impressions video sometime soon. Maybe, like, right after this I'll record that, but there's that. So that's all I'm gonna really show you out of here, except I got some soaps too. I'll just show you this one because I literally have almost everything in that now. I have the candle already, so, like, yeah. It's just a nice, soft, classic scent. Then I guess we'll just go to Target because I already have my box opened right here. First, I got these little Hello Kitty chapsticks. Aren't they so cute? The flavors are Sun-Kissed Lemon, Sweet Candy, and Blooming Berry. They're kind of, like, messed up in there, but whatever. Then I got this Tree Hut Sugar Face Scrub. It's hydrating. Excuse me. It's the Watermelon Cactus Water. I got the small one just to try it out to see if I like it. And then the other thing in here is some coats. And for my son, I got this 3-pack of shirts. And they look like this. So here's one of them. Here's another one. It's just like this green. And then this one, which I think this one or the tie-dye one would be cute with, like, some like this color shorts. Thought that would be, like, super cute. Then I got my daughter a t-shirt. I didn't get her, like, outfits or, like, a pack of clothes like that. I just got her a couple pieces because I usually can find better stuff. Not better, well, I mean, yeah, it is better because lately boys sections have not been the greatest. But I mean, like, I can usually find more for my daughters. Oh my god, I cannot talk today. My daughter. It's just this cute little blue t-shirt. I also got her a pair of leggings that came, like, almost a week ago now. But yeah, I already put those on her. And then for myself, I've been getting way too many clothes recently, but it's alright. It's not like I don't wear them. Obviously, as you can see, I literally got this in that other Target haul, if you watched that. And I'm already wearing it. I already wore the blue one too. But it's just this cute little Bratz cropped t-shirt. And everybody is, like, finding all this cute Bratz stuff lately. And I love Bratz. I love Bratz over Hello Kitty. Don't come for me. I mean, I like Hello Kitty too, but I'm not like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. But Bratz is just way so cute, way cuter to me. I can't talk today. I don't know what it is. I'm just gonna do the other Target box too. I forget what's in this one. Oh my gosh, you guys, also. So Jude Demorest, the girl who plays Star, I followed her on TikTok recently, and then I was just like, well, you know what? I want to start watching Star again, so that's my current obsession. I'm rewatching Star. But what is this? This is the, when I just literally was talking about Hello Kitty, Pixie Hello Kitty lip tone. It's a pH reactive tint, and I want to see. I'm about to have to rip the box, but the box is so cute. I'll do that later. I'm not gonna do it now because I want to keep the box, or at least take a picture of the box. So cute. But this, oh, it's another shirt for my daughter. I don't know why they packed it like that, but it's just this cute little pink one. And I thought this would be cute with the leggings that I got her. They're gray, but they have like cute little rainbows all over them. And then I got the Frenchie cashmere vanilla. It finally came back in stock, and I literally got the email and I went and I placed my order because I was waiting to place like the order for the rest of it until the cashmere vanilla came back in stock because everybody was saying that it was their favorite. It's the brand by Ashley Tisdale, and they literally wrapped this up so good. They said, oh, it's hazardous. Sprays have to be marked as hazardous. I'm like, so why doesn't Bath and Body Works have to mark their stuff as hazardous? Or wrap it up? I mean, they do this, but like with a zip tie. I don't know. Maybe it's just Target's policy. I don't know. It's a little weird. And I'll have to take the rest of that off later because, like, look, it's sticking. Oh, come on. Okay. So, I smelled this in store. I don't know how I feel because I didn't really smell it after I sprayed it. So I sprayed it and then I first smelled it and it just smelled like alcohol, but after it settled, I didn't smell it, which was my fault. So we're gonna do just a little. Okay, that smells better than the one did in store already. Okay. I actually do like that. Stockpiling it? No. But it is nice to have. Would I repurchase it again? I don't know because I don't know like about the lasting power. It is a nice scent though. I'd probably repurchase it every once in a while, but not like, again, not to keep it like stocked up or anything, but it's cute. And then I have one more box, and it is from Truly. They did not send it to me. I bought it. But because I've been having like breakouts and stuff, but like on my back too, TMI. So I was looking at their website and I decided to order some stuff. And then because I forgot my email to my other one when I ordered before. I only ordered one thing though, but still. I got another discount code to use. That's why I was like, okay, let me just buy this. So this is what I was talking about, like with the acne stuff. This is the Cherry Jelly Anti-Acne Body Cleanser. I should have used this when I just got in the shower and told you if I liked it, but it's all right. I'll probably take another shower tomorrow. But there's that one. And then okay, So, I was going to say, I got the mini Buns of Glory Tighten and Glow Butt Serum. Watermelon, vitamin E, apricot. I'm not going to read you all that. But anyways, I just got a mini one of these because I didn't know if it was going to work. Or if it started working in a way that I didn't like. So I kind of like the way my butt is. But, you know, I don't want it to get flat. So that's why tighten and firm. Okay. But then I got this Dulce de Leche Firming Boob and Belly Cream. Smooth and lift. And then they gave me a mini spoon, which is super cute. I want to smell this one, actually. Ooh, that smells so good. I should have used this after my shower. It smells so good. I'm definitely going to be using this after my next shower or even tonight before bed. Like, this one smells super, super good. You guys definitely should go try it. But that is my little mini haul. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up. Ew. A thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and then comment down below your favorite thing that I bought.